Good morning. We are from STS Innovations. We will present three products obtained from three lines of research developed in our doctoral program. First, we will show the synthetic petroleum and bio-oil. Then we will highlight the bio-resin called aditive. And finally, we will talk about the Superplasticyzer additive for concrete called Ligfort. Here in this slide, we show the petroleum market and the problem, how to reduce CO2 emissions. The total CO2 emissions per year, it's a giant challenge, and we emphasize that half of the emissions occurred in the last 3 decades. Here we show the synthetic petroleum and biopetroleum. The biopetroleum is produced from latex, generating a large amount of carbon credits, and a large part of its volume is comparable with aviation bio-kerosene. In here we show the circularity economy. Here in the top right, synthetic petroleum is produced through the reverse engineering of post-used petroleum derivatives, promoting the circularity of the materials. On this screen, we see the oil derivatives, and we highlight that the characterization technical feasibility is being carried out with this company called Refit. Here, the petroleum market. The worldwide market is around 100 million barrels per day. The Brazilian market is near 4 million barrels per day. And this number here is the market share we intend to reach, which represents this percentage of the national market. So now we talk about the aditive, that is a bio-resin. Aditive was developed with the aim of becoming an alternative to reduce the insertion of black liquor generated in Brazil and transform it into a concrete superplasticizer, a polyfunctional. The opportunity cost study to stop incinerating waste and transform it into bio-resin was carried out with these two companies shown here in this screen. The evaluation in a relevant environment was carried out at this company, and below you can see the difference in workability of concrete with and without aditive. In this photo here in the right side, we see the concrete with aditive. The market of concrete additives is here shown, and the worldwide market is around $7 billion. This number expresses the Brazilian market, and this number is the market share we intend to reach. Here, the Ligfort is the superplasticizer additive for concrete. Was developed with the aim of partially replacing some petroleum derived ingredients in the synthesis of resins and have the several applications. Its main raw material is sugarcane bagasse, which is usually injected to reduce CO2. The opportunity cost study to stop incinerating waste and transform it into bio-resin was carried out with these companies. These two companies is also shown in this screen. The technical feasibility study of bio-resins in ballistic shielding and decorative laminate applications is being carried out together with these two companies. Here we show the resin market, the ballistic armor and decorative laminate. And we have these three values in both sides that express the worldwide market, the Brazilian market, and the market share we intend to reach in the Brazil, in the local market. Here we see the entering the market as an ingredient brand such as Intel and Lycra. And these ASG aspects, we hope this can generate and share value with our stakeholders. Here we show the trajectory of STS Innovations. In 2019 and 2020, we had the literature review, a concept building the ideation. In 2021 and 2022, the scientific research, the product development and product demo, the TRL7. In 2022, the innovative acceleration and the market connection. In 2023 first semester, the environment of relevance, TRL9, the market strategy. And in the second semester 2023, the investment raising and acquisition of equipment. And we hope in the next year the start operation. Here the team, Luis Eduardo Pizarro Borges, our professor at IME, Doctor of Engineering Chemical, Igor Drudge, the Master in Development, the CEO André Menezes, and the COO Octavio Gouveia. Thank you very much. We hope you like our presentation, and this is our site and email and WhatsApp number.